Zebra and Perceptor Inspection Technologies are partnering to launch Perceptor IoT, a brand new inline label verifier. This solution brings all the features needed for real-time label inspection and verification with the Zebra ZT600 series. It's been developed by Perceptor Inspection Technologies to bridge the gap between limited, expensive, old verification technology and a need for truly scalable, secure global connectivity. Here is why Perceptor is the must-have solution for your compliant and non-compliant operations. It integrates with the ZT600 in minutes, and this includes existing units as it's easily retrofitted. It inspects labels in real time whilst the label is still inside the printer, so no need for time-consuming and error-prone manual checks. Any failed or duplicate labels are backfed into the printer and overstriked, so there's no risk of duplicates or poorly printed labels making it out the factory door. Perceptor IoT checks for print blemishes, quality, content, and inaccuracies that could result in fines or contract penalties. It's also running on Microsoft's latest .NET technology, meaning it's leading the way in label verification. Label inspection and verification is critical for so many end users in industries such as automotive, retail supply chain, medical devices, clinical life sciences, and defense. If you require any further information about Perceptor IoT, please visit perceptorinspection.com or your local Zebra sales rep for more details.